Good morning. I'm going to film another What I Eat in a Day video today. It is April 5th, 2018, and I am having my usual third a cup of oats with cinnamon and a little bit of flax with apple cooked in the microwave and then topped with the rest of the apple, blueberries, and half a banana. So I'm going to eat this, finish my coffee, have some water, and get ready for the day. Okay, so hi guys, it is the 5th of April and I am vlogging again today, another What I Eat. I thought today would be a good day to film because I am not working for the first time in a week and a half, and I will be doing a few different things that I wouldn't have time to do during the school week if I was working. So right now I have going in the slow cooker, right there. I'm trying the Daily Dose of Peppers marinara sauce, and I am actually really looking forward to this. So that is in there. It's been going for about 30 minutes, so it should be done in time for dinner this evening, which I think I'm going to run to the store and look for a spaghetti squash, and I might browse Pinterest a bit to see if I can find some kind of spaghetti squash bake, something like that. Anyway, with the marinara sauce. And I am going to have another cup of coffee right now. I have had one water and I'm going to have another one before I drink my coffee. And this will be my second cup of coffee, and I usually only have 2 cups when I'm home. I usually switch to tea, but I felt like another cup of coffee. I'm going to edit a bunch of my videos and get that out of the way. Then I have to clean this house because it is a complete disaster. So I think I might film it and do a clean with me. I'm not sure. It just depends on how much I can get done. I have a ton of laundry and our dryer is broken, so that makes drying clothes very difficult, especially being in Canada, and right now it's still cold outside. So I'm gonna go and drink my coffee and edit those videos, and then I will check in with you when I am having something else to eat. Guys, I'm filming a clean with me, a spring clean edition, so that will be up shortly after this video. But in any case, it is 11:30 and I've been doing this for an hour, and now it's time for a break. I've been drinking water as I've been cleaning, so I am going to refill that. But I am just going to have some plain fat-free Greek yogurt with the other half of banana from this morning, and some raspberries and some blueberries. So I'm going to mix that up and take maybe a 10-minute break to eat, because I need to make sure that I don't get too hungry and then I end up falling off plan, because I am so hungry I'll just eat everything. So I find if I eat meals throughout the day and snacks that are healthy and filling, then it helps me stay on program. Now the nice thing about Freestyle is I don't have to measure my yogurt, but I still don't like to go over. I love raspberries. And there they go. I also want to prep some 2-ingredient bagels, but I have another fat-free Greek yogurt in the fridge, so I'm okay. Because I am running low on this one, I find I've always liked plain fat-free Greek yogurt. That's good. So it's been something I've been buying anyway. So I kind of feel like this is like a banana split when you put a little bit of banana in it, and I bet that would be really good if I was to do this. I wonder with some caramel if I made like a yogurt frozen? I don't know. I'm gonna have to look that up. But I just kind of smush it because the raspberries sweeten, I find, the yogurt. It makes it easier to eat. So I'm gonna eat this. I'm gonna refill my water. I'm gonna take a 10-minute break and then I'm gonna get back to cleaning. And there it is. 0 smart points. And there's my bowl. Isn't it beautiful? It reminds me of summer. This is dinner, and it is 5 smart points because I have 5 smart points worth of light cheese, the Daily Dose of Pepper marinara sauce, grilled chicken, and spaghetti squash. 5. That's mine. That's my mother's. So good. If you want to see a cook with me, I will do that if I like it. Okay, I'm going to eat and have water. So the spaghetti squash and the chicken parm spaghetti squash was delicious. And if you're interested, I will do a cook with me on it. If you just leave me a comment down below and give this video a thumbs up so I know that the next time I make it, I will definitely do a cook with me. It was so good, and only 5 smart points for the whole, like, one side of the spaghetti squash. And I only ate half of it because it was so filling. So I used 14 out of 23 today, and I'll show you. Oh my gosh. Right there. So I have 9 remaining. I will not be using all 9. So 4 of those will go over to my 43 weekly, and so I'll have something, some kind of snack later on when I have my tea for about 5 smart points. But overall today was a really good day, and it was nice to have the day off so I could make the marinara sauce, which I'm going to use for a lot of different things. And I have the 2-ingredient dough bagels in the oven right now for tomorrow. I will show you. Oh, move, Maddie, I'm opening the oven. So, I have those in there baking, and I think I'm going to have one for breakfast as a breakfast sandwich, but I'm not sure. Other than that, I'm just going to end this vlog now, and I want to thank you so much for watching. If you enjoy what I eat videos, give this one a thumbs up, and I'll continue to do them. So until next time, I hope you have a wonderful day, and as always, take care. We'll see you real soon.
Bye.
Bye now. Okay, so to end this evening, I am just making myself my tea. Same one I've been having the past few nights. 90 Night by Traditional Medicinal. It helps. I don't know, I just enjoy having it in the evening. The little quote that's on, they have little quotes on the tea bags. Different ones, let's see. Nature does not hurry, yet everything is accomplished. How true. And then I am going to have this no sugar added Jello, I think it's creme brulee pudding mix. So the caramel and the pudding. This is, I believe, 3 or 4 smart points. I'm gonna have to look it up, but I definitely have the points for it. And I'm going to enjoy it this evening since I don't typically have any type of snacks or treats in the evening. I'm going to tonight since I am doing really well staying on program. So thanks so much for watching. We'll see y'all again tomorrow, and I hope you have a wonderful day, and as always, take care. Bye everyone.